Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your TikTok account with CapCut. If you want to connect the two apps and unlock features like using TikTok sounds directly in CapCut, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Next, tap on Manage Account. On the next screen, you'll see TikTok listed under Available Platforms. Tap on Link. CapCut will now automatically open the TikTok app, where you'll be asked to authorize the connection. Make sure all permissions are checked, then tap Continue. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now successfully linked with CapCut. With this connection, you can easily use TikTok sounds, sync your videos for easier sharing, and take advantage of exclusive features designed to improve your editing and posting workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.